golden years are your second innings in life, and a new generation of retirees in India are discovering what it means to be forever young. At Ashiana Utsav, a one-of-a-kind residential township for seniors, there is never a dull moment. Especially now, when it's Jashn time, their annual sports and cultural festival. Meet 81-year-old Romila Arora, one of the contenders for the evening singing contest. Once a nervous newcomer to the senior living community, she is now full of life and hope.
I've lived my life in Calcutta all this while. I went there as a bride and I got married in 1958, so you can imagine. So living there for 52 years, after my husband passed away, then it was getting a little difficult for me to... I thought, what have I to do with city life now? Here, the best part at this age is the freedom.
The philosophy at Ashiana Utsav is to engage seniors into active living, help them find new interests, forge new friendships, and to lead them on to healthier, happier lives.
What senior living is all about is the lifestyle opportunities which are available. In old age homes, generally people are limited to a room and themselves. Whereas retirement communities are for people who are like-minded and who want to explore their lifestyle post-retirement.
Evening sets in and the mood at the Jashn Fest is heating up. These seniors are reliving their carefree college days today and not afraid to show us what they've got.
Dance like no one's watching and the world will dance with you. The many talent clubs at Ashiana Utsav give these seniors the opportunity to rediscover their long forgotten talents and show to the world that they are forever young.
The singers and dancers are out flaunting their art, the sporting ones are slugging it out for the winner's title, and the creative ones are hard at work. This spirit of camaraderie and learning is not just a one-day affair. A full-time activity executive draws up their monthly calendar, plans outdoor trips, health talks and month-end parties.
Now you can see, we don't have time. Nobody has got time here. They all enjoy. It is actually active senior living.
Apart from a life of laughter and independence, senior citizens also seek security. Homes at this senior living community are designed to keep them safe. Round-edged walls, grab rails in the bathrooms, anti-skid tiles across the house and switches that glow in the dark. A 24/7 maintenance team is on call for any odd jobs. An in-house clinic offers medical services and emergency care.
उसके लिए हमारे रूम्स में और बाथरूम में एक अलार्म लगा हुआ है। अगर बाई चांस हमें कोई प्रॉब्लम हो गई है, एकदम से हमारे पास कोई हेल्प नहीं है, तो हम वो अलार्म बजाते हैं तो हमारे पास सिक्योरिटी के उसी टाइम आ जाते हैं।
लाइफ इज़ वेरी पीसफुल यार, नो डाउट कि हम दिल्ली की जो शोर शराबे से बहुत बचे हुए हैं।
आंखों में हंसी, लबों पे हंसी, गम का कहीं नाम न हो और आपके जीवन में इतनी खुशियां हो कि उन खुशियों की कभी शाम न हो।
Ashiana Utsav is part of a growing concept of senior living communities in India that enable children stressed by the lifestyle challenges of today to gift their parents a loving environment. So let retirement be the start of a new adventure, a new journey to self-discovery. With camera person AJ Joseph, Vasudha Sharma, NDTV.